Already on, Wayne.
Hi, mustard on the beat, ho, Debo, me, rap, nigga, he a freak, though, man down, car, ambulance, tell him please, bro, nail a nigga to the cross, he walk around like Tizo. What's up with these jabroni ass niggas trying to see Compton? The industry can hate me, fuck them all, nigga, mama. How many options you really got? I mean, there's too many options. I'm finna pass on this body, I'm John Stockton.
Get in, loser. We're going shopping.
Dude, that fucker barks. Holy shit. What brake is that?
Theirs.
That's the Cobalt one?
Yeah.
I think it's like 0'd-ish.
It's either zeroed or it's not.
I mean, it's hitting the fucking target right where I want it to,
Okay.
So.
And then zero.
Devin's over here talking shit because I showed up with a brand new gun that's not zeroed.
Oh, and I have to load magazines.
Yeah, constantly
I'm
saying
the
that
monster.
I'm not ready. This fucking guy. What are you shooting today?
A little 12 and a half. And maybe my 3-gun rifle a little bit.
I think it's fucking gay.
It looks a little gay. I feel like this is something that would be sold in like a pot shop in Boulder by some dude with like dreadlocks who like every day carries a high point.
And I might try to shoot some of these friggin' bugs, man. Good lord.
One mic.
One mic. You spend more time on the range than I do, and I own one.
Bro, it was like 16 days straight, man.
I didn't build that, I bought that.
Built, not bought.
Built, not bought.
Oh, see, he turns the dot down too.
I don't fucking care, dude. I like the bright dot.
I like looking at the sun. And then that's the thing. It's like you spend all that time and energy, and then it's such a perishable skill. You stop doing it for 2 weeks, and then it's like rust is just like there. And now it's like, okay, you have to fight through the rust again. And it's just like, unless you're like super prevalent, you just keep on it and keep on it and keep on it.
There's like boogers on my D-ball. Gross.
D-ball boogers.
It's probably my kid. Oh look, another Tacoma.
Oh, look.
Another one.
Another one. What's up, homie?
What's going on, brother?
Hello, sir.
Howdy, howdy, howdy. This screams Charlie's up in the trees, you know?
Can we put that on YouTube?
That's why. I don't care. I'm crippled, so that gives some points towards like whatever their fucking side is.
No, I said you wanted a carry handle, but are you actually going to be able to carry it?
Stick my toe in there, you know, pick it up, run
Yeah.
around. It could be worse.
Did they make a shorter barrel?
Yeah. I just didn't want to deal with all the bullshit.
I have
They
one
were
that I
already
did
like,
in
we
a,
don't want to send you this gun because it has magazines that are above your state's legal capacity. And I'm like, it's going to my SOT. And they're like, we don't care. Compliance is compliance. I'm like, you guys are maggots.
That's fucking gay. Dude, I really like that it's an insert for a regular mag.
Nice cock.
Nice cock.
No, he's cold.
Holy fuck.
God damn.
Dude, that bounced right off the mic.
Well, yeah. It's not so much if somebody hurts themselves.
Empty.
That was pretty cool.
Battle Buddy assisted reloads. Next time, it's gonna happen in the showers.
Well, that's all the ammo I brought today, so video's over. Don't forget to subscribe, whatever gay shit. We're gonna do the same shit that everybody else does. What's a good piece of advice to leave with?
Gimme. When in doubt, pull out.
Okay, I like that.